Hey, welcome to Florida Outdoors. I'm Captain Jeff Vickers out of Dunedin, Florida, aka Captain Coors Light. We're talking about the Relentless knife, and I tell you what, they're a self-sharpening knife with a lifetime limited warranty to it, so it's kind of a knife for life, which is really kind of cool. You can beat it up, but I tell you what, I use it in the kitchen a lot, cutting up my vegetables. I use it for cutting up my deer, my wild hogs and everything, because it just slices right through it, no problem. I don't have to worry about having to resharpen it all the time. It kind of sharpens itself as it cuts against the carbide. It's an extremely versatile knife. I recommend it highly. So go to relentlessknivesusa.com and check out their website. Go ahead and order one up, and I'll tell you, tell them that Captain Jeff Vickers sent you, and I guarantee you're gonna love it.